Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, March 27th, 2025. Let's take a look at the chart, big picture. Just want to remind you, base of support 108.89 on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, that comes in at 108.77, FYI. Having tested it over the last month, we still maintain a 3 to 5 week upside objective at 135.20. But we may test 108.89 beforehand, or I should say retest 108.89 beforehand. 108.77 on the daily chart, and you can see this channel bottom that we closed, right at. Basically, I see no directional indication, probable directional indication for today, Thursday, in this NVIDIA stock. Based on yesterday's settlement, right at 113.60. We could open at or above 113.60 and actually continue higher today to 117.79, or we could break or open below 113.60, and if we do, 108.77 in reach. But 113.60, able to contain session weakness, and if we break it, that does aggressively pivot the market south, and we could see 108.77 today, where we could bottom out, as I mentioned, through April, actually through the second quarter, and above which 135.20 is likely by the end of April, and we can, above 108.89, continue on up later in the year to 177.82. This is a 1-year channel top that becomes kind of a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 month objective following a weekly settlement above 135.20. Let's cover the downside just one more time, and I just want to reemphasize that if we break or open below 113.60, 108.77 is in reach, where we could bottom out through April and through the second quarter, and from here round up to 135.33 within 3 to 5 weeks. Now, if we close below 108.77 today, and I really want to just say, if we close it below 108.89 tomorrow, Friday, it really is the weekly settlement that is key to longer-term trend movement. And if we close below 108.89 on Friday, then I would anticipate the 77.99 2-year channel bottom within 2 to 3 months at the most. It could be much quicker. 77.99 can absorb selling through the rest of the year, and from here we can round up to new highs over the following full year of activity. And that is the big picture to the downside. Let's talk upside. 113.60 able to contain session weakness if we open at or above it, with 117.79 in reach and likely to contain intraday highs. If we push through 117.79, then 121.31 is likely today. That would be a nice reversal move on Thursday. 121.31 well suited to contain daily highs, and we could fall back from here, back to perhaps the 113.60 formation within several days. But if we did close above 121.31, and I don't see that happening today, but if over the next few days we do, then we probably will reach our 135.33 longer term objective within just another couple of weeks. 135.33 able to contain buying on a monthly, possibly quarterly basis. Last thing I think I'm going to say, and that is just a reminder that if we do close the week below 108.89, that does set up 77.99 over the next several months. But until then, that is a solid support area that may contain selling through all of the second quarter. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. On Tuesday of this week, we put out 2 stock picks, both energy stocks, one OKE, which is, I think it's spelled Onioke. It is a natural gas energy supplier, midstream operator, if you will, large cap stock. Also Viper, symbol VNOM, and that is also a large cap stock, both of which are on the edge of meaningful buy signals. I had a buy signal a week ago in West Texas Intermediate crude oil, a longer term buy signal, and so this is consistent with that. We haven't reached those points yet, or we're close to it, and I provide all of that good information in the 2 videos for both Viper and Onioke. What are the parameters? What are the conditions necessary for going long and staying long? We're always looking for at least 20% moves on these underlying stock picks, so keep that in mind. If you want to take advantage of our 5-day free trial, it will allow you to see both of these stock picks that we put out this week, and also for the next week, daily SPY, daily triple Q analysis, weekly Apple stock, weekly S&P 500, and weekly NASDAQ 100. So check us out at wickedstocks.com. Of course, I will be back tomorrow with Friday's NVIDIA report. You have a great evening.